Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Today, we at the lake. We chasing these catfish. We trying to reel them in. We want to fry them whole, crispy, goodness, crispification. You know how it's going down. It's Jam Packed Cooking. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. It's lake day, people. Let's go. Oh, they got me. I've been robbed. Put another one in the water and we wait. Listen, man, it's a beautiful day out here today. If you enjoying your weekend like we enjoying ours, once again, it's Jam Packed Cooking. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Because guess what? We always jamming and cooking, baby. Word of the day, patience today, good people. Oh, wait. Oh, got him. Yes, sir. Got him. Oh. Hey, what's going on? Welcome to another episode of Let's Eat. We was out at that lake today. Swing and a miss. I gotta be honest with y'all, swing and a miss. But plan B worked out. We got some whole catfish here. We finna get them deep fried in GBD. Golden brown and delicious, baby. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. This is Let's Eat, episode number 4. Let's get it, people. All right, so let's get to it. Look, we got some whole catfish today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with a little SPG. Y'all know what that is by now, right? Salt, pepper, and garlic on these. And then you probably can guess what's coming next. Of course, baby, it's the magic dust. This stuff here, I can't lie, this is some good stuff. Slap your mama, y'all get at me, because we definitely need that sponsor. So listen, we're gonna hit it with a light coat of the Slap Your Mama. You know, about a teaspoon of the magic dust, SPG, and Slap Your Mama, Cajun seasoning. These catfish is fresh farm-raised catfish. Let me move this over here. And so what we have here is some of my famous fish fry. After you get that fish seasoned up, and be sure to hit the cavity too, the inside of the cavity. We're gonna hit it with a little bit more of the Cajun seasoning. You take that fish, start out with the inside, get it breaded up real nice. Make sure you get that tail too, because the tail is the best part, crispification. All right, so over here, listen, we got some vegetable oil. We're gonna bring it to about 350 to deep fry this fish in. Depending on the size, I'm gonna say about 5 to 6 minutes per side. I promise you, it's gonna come out GBD every time, baby. Golden brown and delicious. We got action. In the meantime, y'all come on over here, listen. That's right, seasoned potato wedges. Cut some potato wedges, let them soak, minimum 4 hours. Let them soak in water to get all the starch out. I wanna go ahead and season this mixture, this flour mixture. Tablespoon of the Cajun season, a tablespoon of the magic dust, tablespoon of the SPG. Give it a mix. Just like that, baby. And I guarantee you this is gonna be delicioso. And after that, we just give them a toss. And that's that simple. All right, let's check this fish, see what we got going. Oh, promised you. GBD, golden brown and delicious. Let's make sure it ain't a fluke. We're gonna check another one. Flaky, juicy, and falling off the bone, baby. If you enjoying yourself like we enjoying ourselves, y'all know the thing. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, because we always jamming and cooking. Fish and fries, how could you go wrong? Hey, I think it's about time to pull this fish out. Let's see what we got, people. Yes, Lord. And just like that, we got whole fried catfish. Time to do these fries, and it's time to eat. Let's go, baby. So on these fries, it's simple. Shake out the excess, get them dropped in the oil. You can cook it about 325, 350, because they thick and they need to cook a little bit longer. A key trick is when we pull them out, we'll pull them out a little under and stick them in the oven, and it works every time. We put the wedges out, we're gonna hit them with a sprinkle of the Cajun, and of course, the magic dust. And there you have it, baby. Listen, we have the whole deep fried crispification. Yes, batter fries, crispy, whole catfish with the lemon and lime situation. So let's give it a taste. Look, I like to take a little bit of the lime. Let's see if we flaking. Hold on, come here. Ooh, ooh, she flaking. Look at that, she flaking. Come here, come here. It's the magic dust, baby. Big SMOKEYS, bbq.com for your magic dust. Come here, look at that. They not tender, we don't want it. No cap. Y'all go try this out. Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Until next time, let's eat. 4, and we gone. Here, y'all want a piece? Hey, what's going on, guys? Listen, today, that's my key word of the day, is patience. I mean, in life, a lot of people, like, you'll get in a rush to get to it fast. They want to take the easy route, you know, the fast way. fast money. But if we can agree on one thing, we can agree that fast money don't really last long. You get it in and it's gone. You don't even know what happened to it. He'll put holes in your pocket. That's what my grandma used to tell me anyway. A lot of people out here just eating the food. Slow down and taste the food. Patience is key. Patience is a virtue, seriously. If I can tell you anything, I can tell you this. You have to slow down. Taste the food. All jokes aside, but taste the food. And if you can relate to that, smash that like button right now. We do a lot for this channel, man. We do a lot for this channel. We're in the building stage of this channel. We just wanted to manifest and be great. So anyways, I'm gonna get back to my day. I'm gonna get back to my weekend. But I promise you this, if you slow down, import a little patience in your life, gotta export blessings into it also. Peace and love.